Kyron Learning offers you tools and support, bringing online learning to life with conversations, interactivity, and personalized coaching that allow you to review content and practice with the support of an AI tutor. Let's take a closer look. At the start of your lesson, you'll select Get Started. The Kyron lessons include a combination of a few different elements. First, you will get content review.
The learning styles theory most people know centers around three main categories, often called VAK. This includes visual learners who supposedly learn best through images, diagrams, and spatial understanding.
There are two types of multiple choice interactions: multiple choice assessment and multiple choice questions. Both will present you with a question and up to 4 possible answers. In multiple choice questions, you can retry if incorrect, with AI feedback to guide you. However, in assessments, you only get one attempt. The Kyron lessons also include conversation interactions that allow you to work with an AI tutor to answer a given question. Here's an example.
Imagine you're in a training meeting where someone says, "We need to accommodate different learning styles. Let's create visual, auditory, and kinesthetic versions of this content. How does this differ from what the research shows?" Type or speak your responses below.
You can type your answer or click the microphone to speak. Let's say you have the following response. After, the AI tutor will give you feedback.
Yes, it's important to engage learners by connecting with their interests. However, when it comes to learning styles like visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, what does research suggest about their effectiveness in enhancing learning?
If you have questions, ask them here.
Doesn't it depend on the student and what kind of learner they are?
And the conversation continues until you respond fully or decide to move on. If your lesson includes assessment conversations, the AI tutor will ask questions without guidance, and your instructors receive feedback on your responses. Let's look at interacting with your Kyron lessons. In any lecture activity, you can remove closed captions by clicking on the closed captioning icon. Also in the lecture, you can navigate to the transcript by clicking on the paper icon on the bottom right and see exactly where you are in the video. To jump around to different sections of the lesson, click on the information icon to view lesson info, so you can select a new activity of your lesson to take or review. In the AI chat interactions, a question appears above a text input box. You can respond via text or voice. For voice, click on the microphone icon, then click on the arrow to submit it. If you're unsure how to answer, just say so in the chat, and the AI tutor will guide you. The chat interaction will continue until you respond fully, or if you feel like you've received the necessary support, click on the I want to continue forward button. When all your activities are completed, you'll be asked to complete a survey and the lesson will be marked as complete in your LMS. When you complete the survey, your lesson recap will appear with your lesson status, progress, and insights into any misconceptions you had during the lesson in the overview page. Thanks for your attention and good luck with your studies.